Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody, on this Wednesday morning. It is the 9th day of May. My name is Rich. The time is 3:48 in the morning. 3:48 in the morning, that's pretty early. Temperatures are in the 60s right now, and we are headed for maybe close to the 90-degree mark today. I think this video today is going to be more like a video that I could have made for you on a morning in July. The only thing lacking is the July humidity. Fortunately, I don't think we're going to see that incredible summertime humidity for the next few days, but it will start to notch up a little bit. Also, I'll tell you when rain will return to the forecast, but don't get too optimistic about that because I don't think the rain is going to be substantial when it gets back. Let's take a look at that plus the beach forecast. Here we go.
That big high-pressure heat ridge in the upper atmosphere is spreading out and dominating much of the southern U.S. All of the active weather today will be north of that ridge. You see that across the Midwest and the Great Lakes. Meanwhile, we're protected under that bubble, and the heat is, well, pretty extensive all the way from the southwest across the Plain States and through the southeast today. I've got us at 89 for a high temperature. Could we reach 90? Sure. Tonight's low 62. Wind southwest 4 to 8 miles per hour. Still not too bad on the humidity. Summer heat in May tomorrow. I think we are in the lower 90s tomorrow, and I think we're in the lower 90s again on Friday. Still hot, still dry. All the active weather still staying north of Alabama. And same thing on Saturday, more summer-like heat. The hottest Saturdays we've had since last summer. And the high temperature Saturday will easily be in the low 90s. I see some record highs in the Carolinas and up into the Ohio Valley on Saturday as well. Sunday, no change, still dry, still looking for raindrops. And will we see any raindrops? Well, Monday, maybe an isolated shower or two. The chances start to get a little bit better. The humidity is certainly higher. And then I think the rain chances are a little bit better on Thursday. Some scattered showers, maybe a few thunder showers Thursday. We've got our fingers crossed. But how about the potential for how much rainfall? Well, through next Tuesday, less than 1/10 of an inch over much of the area, and no rain expected in many areas of Alabama. So that's not good. We've got 91 tomorrow, lower 90s on Friday, Saturday, and at least near 90 on Sunday. Rain chances are under 20%. Then I've got a 20% chance of an isolated shower in on Monday with a high around 89, maybe 90. Let's go down to the beach. You want to? The beach forecast from the beaches from Gulf Shores to Panama City. Highs in the lower 80s. It's a good beach weekend. It's cooler than Montgomery and central Alabama with rain chances under 20%. And the Gulf water temperature now, I kind of evened out around 80 degrees because it's 85 at Dauphin Island and mid-70s at Panama City. So we've got a series of hot days showing up on the European. It prints out a couple of days in the mid-90s. I don't think we're going to get that high. It's got some showers in there Tuesday, Wednesday, and maybe Thursday night into Friday of next week. We hope so. The GFS is a little bit more reasonable on the numbers. It's got temperatures near 90 or low 90s for the next several days and cools us down a little bit with scattered showers on Tuesday. Hurricane Awareness Tour is tomorrow, and the public is invited to tour these aircraft from 2 to 5 p.m. at Montgomery Regional Airport. This is a big deal, and it's, again, the tour coming to town because of Hurricane Awareness Week, the C-130 from the Air Force, and also the NOAA Gulfstream aircraft as well.
I can't put in perspective how big a deal this hurricane tour coming to Montgomery is. It's in the world of weather, it doesn't get bigger than this because, you know, the tour has come to Mobile and Pensacola and New Orleans. You would expect them to come there, but it's never been in Montgomery. So, yeah, if you get a chance tomorrow afternoon from 2 to 5, check it out for the public display. I'll be out there tomorrow morning for the news conference, which starts at 9:30 in the morning. Have a great day today. Live on the radio this morning from 6 to 9 on News Talk 93.1. We have a good time. 3 men and a lady. That would be Greg and Jay and Emily and myself and that dog over there. And we'll have another video for you first thing tomorrow morning at 4:45 a.m. An update on the weekend forecast as well. Your forecast whenever you want it on 8 radio stations, the Blue Water family of stations. Have a good one.
Rich Thomas Weather.